Hi, Tony from Songwriters Chop Shop here. The songwriting process can be challenging, which means there'll be plenty of opportunities to make mistakes. One of the first mistakes songwriters make is judging your inspiration. So many times we come up with a song idea and start overthinking it. Is this lyric cheesy? Has this chord progression been done to death? When you get a thought or a feeling that sparks a song idea, don't judge it. Now is not the time for analysis. Now is the time to explore and to get to know the idea. It's time to play. Trust yourself and the inspiration. As soon as you start overthinking, leave it alone. Overthinking an inspired idea is the quickest way to start doubting it. As Shakespeare said, our doubts are traitors and make us lose the good we might win by fearing to attempt. Don't overthink it, make decisions and move on. The beauty of songs is that you can always go back and rewrite. So trust your gut. The need to be perfect and totally original is actually a form of self-editing. Editing should only be done after the inspiration calms down. Catch you next time.